Hi, my name is Jan, and in this video here I want to tell you a little about our adapter system. Step one for us that is really important for us to know the size and the type of the sleeve that you want to have an adapter for. Why it's so important is of course that the adapter needs to be tight and it needs to fit directly to your sleeve. I have an example here on a small sleeve laying here on the holder where we have the adapter going in, but it's not covering outside. If you want to have the adapter where it's covering outside, we have here this type here where it's going on the adapter with a sealing inside. This is the soft sealing that goes in over the end of your sleeve and covers the side and also the end of your adapter. We also have the flat one with the hard sealing that only goes at the end and covers only the end of the sleeve. We use two types of sealing. We have a soft sealing here and we have a hard sealing that we use. Hard sealing is of course the one that holds the longest time. The soft sealing is actually better. It has a shorter lifetime, but it's easier to fit on your sleeve when you put it in and squeeze it a little, so it makes your adapter tight. I'm standing here by a sleeve which is 1100 millimeters, and I have the adapter here where we go in and cover a little on the surface here. In this adapter type here I have again the soft sealing, which you should have on stock because it have a shorter lifetime. This sealing is of course always sitting in the adapter, but it was just to show you how easy it is to change. Then you put it on a shaft, put it in and push it over, and you take your knot and tighten it. Just to summarize what we just have been talking about is step one, we need to know the size and the dimension of your sleeve that you want an adapter for. And number two is we need to know what type of sleeve adapter you actually want, the flat one with the hard sealing or the covering one with the soft sealing. If you are in doubt, you're of course always welcome to contact us.